Hello guys, welcome again to another edition of your everyday web and software tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get subscribers using the YouTube watermark. This is how you go about it. So to do this, go to your profile picture at the top right corner here. Click on that, go to YouTube Studio. Now at YouTube Studio, we need to find the customization. Go to the customization section. So on the left hand side here, you find customization. Click on that. Now at customization, we need to go to branding, so we can brand our channel. And as you can see, I have my Freelancer Studio, so I have the logo here. This is not what I want to do. I want to change it to the YouTube subscribe image, so click on change. Now I've uploaded an image that I want to use, so you can easily go on Google and just find YouTube subscribe image or button. So let me click on that. I'll ask you to crop so that you get your image nicely in the watermark section. So if you're happy with this, you just click on done. And as you can see, so we'll have this image popping up on videos. So it says video watermark. The watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player. So if you want it to show at the end of the video, you can click that option. If you want custom start time, so you can set a specific time that image will appear, or on the entire video, during the entire length of the video. I want to select that option, and then once I'm done, I'm happy with this, I'll just click on publish. So once this is done, we'll see this logo or this icon on almost all our videos. So go to the channel again. So once this is done, when anybody opens up our channel or our videos, you can see we have the subscribe button showing here, and it gives you it gives the users a very easy way to subscribe to your channel, and this will show right across all your videos. So it gives you more the possibility of people subscribing to your channel. It gives you a higher probability that people will subscribe to your channel. So yeah, this is how you add a subscribe watermark to all your videos on YouTube. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel if you've already not done so. You can also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new video I will be uploading every week for you on web and software tips. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you